Whenever you get a Brassy Bra, you gotta do the Brassy Bra.
To be or not to be, not. Hold up, bring the beat back. Stop, I ain't ready yet. Wait.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Did you guys miss me? Guys, listen, this year already, like, it's been crazy, okay? If you guys want a video on everything that's been going on in my life right now, comment that in the comment section and I will give you all the tea, honey. But anyway, you're not here for that. I am in a different setting. I will be back to my setting soon. I'm not home right now and I'm recording somewhere else. Okay, I know why y'all here. Y'all here for the Brassy Bra, okay? This video is sponsored by Brassy Bra. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I have a bra on right now, but listen. Do you know how amazing it is? But like, this company is just so freaking brilliant. Guys, before we get started on these new titties I'm about to have, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And tap that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl uploads. They were so kind enough to send your girl 2 boxes and a little extra as well. I left the other box at home because I only will be using one of these out of this box today. So yes, they were so kind enough to send me 2 boxes of the Brassy Bra so I can try and love and all of that, okay? So yes, guys, you guys know it's been very hard as us big busted girls, you know, trying to find little sticky bras that we can put on so we don't have to wear a bra. It's always that certain type of dress, shirt, or whatever jumpsuit that you may want to get, and you can't get it because your boobs is too damn big, and if you gotta wear, you know, it's just a lot. And they don't have no pick-me-up bras for us, like, you know, like those little latex bras that people just tie in the front and that all the celebrities is wearing. They don't have that for our size. I tried the whole little tape underneath. It's not working, okay? So we're gonna see. I've been seeing good results with these. We're gonna see how this works, and I'm so excited to try this. If you guys don't know about Brassy Bra, Brassy Bra has been everywhere on Instagram. Like, they have up to size, I think, quadruple D, and it goes also up to size E as well. I did get the size double D to quadruple D adhesive bra. So these are basically adhesive bras. So this comes with 3 sets of adhesive bras and 3 pairs of nipple covers. The adhesive bras are made of 97% cotton, breathes and molds to your individual shape. So they're basically saying, like, these are going to be comfortable and they're going to just glide on. So it does come like this, okay? So yeah, I did get the color cocoa because it's clearly too dark for me, but it's okay because the nude was sold out and the one that was like my complexion was also sold out. So I just got this with the 3 sets of the nipple covers. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna try it on and come back on camera for you guys to see, okay? So I'm super excited. Like I said, these are going to be perfect for shirts and tops and dresses that we want to wear but we can't wear without a bra, and these will be perfect where we don't need the bra. Like, I'm so excited and I cannot wait to try this. So listen, let me be back. Okay, so guys, yeah, I am putting it on wrong. I don't know why I'm doing that when I watch so many videos. It's supposed to be from bottom to top, okay? This feels amazing. Yes, guys, this really feels amazing. This is just a shirt that I got from Pretty Little Thing. If you guys want to see the haul where I have this shirt on, go check that video out. Okay, so yes, honey, I don't even need a bra. Hey, also the good thing about this is you can cut this. So say you want to wear a strapless top or dress, you can cut these into any way or shape that you want. Okay, so I know one of the, like, this one is higher than this one. This breast is bigger than this breast. Okay, and this one was a little more heavier, but I guess I didn't put it symmetrical, whatever, asymmetrical. But I'm really liking the results. It's like I really don't need a bra, and I'm happy. It does definitely lift up your boobs. So would I buy this? I sure would. Do I recommend you to buy it? I really do, honestly. I love it. And I love that the fact that it comes with the extra side boob coverage, you know. Some people, you can leave it, but when you do put it on, it tends to spill out here. So it makes sense for that. So I appreciate them for thinking of us that way. And it does have instructions, guys, just to let you guys know. It does have instructions. And I hope nobody is petty enough to flag my video, because I'm not showing nudity. You know, I'm showing product that is perfect for us big busted girls. I am so excited, guys. I love it. I cannot wait this summer. Now see, I just want to know how it works with sweating and stuff like that. But other than that, I am really excited. I definitely have to spend my money and get more, because this summer I am trying to be turned up, and I don't want to be tied down with no bras. But if you guys are, speaking of bras, guys, I just got a whole big box of Savage Fenty. Yes, okay, so we're gonna put that to the test, and we're gonna see exactly how the Savage Fenty is working, honey. Okay, but yes, guys, I am loving this Brassy Bra. It is definitely worth the hype. I should have did a video where I can go wear it for the day and come back and see, let you guys know how it works and if it stayed on and stuff like that. What I would recommend, guys, if you are gonna get these, do not put any lotion on your titties. Don't put any oil on your titties, because you don't want it to slip right off, you know, and you want it to stick on. So I'm feeling it, and it does feel like I could peel it off, but it's still in place. Like it feels in place. Let me just come up closer. Okay, guys, so I felt like I didn't do it too much justice, so I wanted to do another demonstration. On the right hand side, I do have on the Brassy Bra, and on the left hand side I don't. And as you guys can see, it is a drastic lift. Okay, and look how good it look. All right, look how good it look. This is a more tighter shirt. You guys can see the difference. Right hand side is more rounded and popping, and the left hand side is just like, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, guys, I am loving this Brassy Bra. It's so amazing, and it stays put, and it's just popping. You guys you have to try it. You have to try it. If you guys enjoyed that video featuring Brassy Bra, don't forget to click the link in the description box so you guys can go shop with them. Okay, guys, it's very affordable. I believe one box is only $40 or $38. Okay, you cannot go wrong. This is perfect. It comes with 3 sets. It's not reusable. Okay, so once you put it on, you cannot use it again. But I totally think it's worth it. I feel like, try it out. Let me know how you feel when you do try it out. I am ecstatic and I am shocked, and I give this a 10 because I'm really liking how I'm feeling right now. My back, guys, I've been so aggravated with bras lately, and this has really made me happy to know that I can go out there. I too can go out there with my 42 triple D titties. I can go out there without a bra and still kill shit thanks to Brassy Bra. Oh, so here's some other tips that they did send me. There are different ways to use Brassy Bra, okay? And they also have a lot of videos on how you can apply them, okay? And the creator of Brassy Bra, Catherine Borv, she's so sweet and amazing, and if she's watching, I love you for making this product, and I love you for being so sweet through emails, and thank you so much for sending me these boxes. I am going to cherish them. I am in love, okay? Always look in the mirror when you're applying. You have to leave the bra on for 30 minutes before you try to cut it. And the Brassy Bra gets heat activated from your body temperature will create a firmer grip the longer you wear them. Okay, so also when taking them off, never rip them off your skin. They can damage. Always use body oils like coconut oil to take them off. Soak the bra off in oil. The best way is to take them off from bottom and up, okay? Don't use Brassy Bra many days after each other. When taking Brassy Bra off, it gives you a light peeling, and if you use it every day, your skin can be stressed. We recommend 1 to 2 days a week, okay? So you can't be wearing this non-stop every day. Like they said, you will get a little tan. Your skin will probably get stressed out, okay? But yes, guys, I am loving some Brassy Bra. Thank you, Brassy Bra. Whenever you get a Brassy Bra, you gotta do the Brassy Bra. But anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know, would you try Brassy Bra? I love me some Brassy Bra. Okay, and yes, guys, don't forget to love yourself first. Keep it glamour and stay curvy. I'm getting all this cream. I think she wanna ice me. A bitch could be a slime, then do you grimy? Yeah, and if you don't know, I'm getting dough, nigga. Wait, yeah, it's simple. Yeah, it's simple. Wait, it's simple. Cause bitch, I'm about my business. Killing them, nigga, can you be my witness? God flow every day like it's Christmas. You're a bitch.